What's up, guys? Today we are fishing with a fluke to catch bass in this pond. There we go, tiny little one. Gonna release him and put him back in the water. Alright, there we go. Fish number 2. This one's tiny. Oh man, he took my fluke. Alright, just another, no, not very big, but it was probably, he ain't bad. I'm gonna release him. Alright, I think that's the last one, I think I broke about like 5 flukes just on these fish. Let it go. Alright, there we go. That's all I'm gonna be catching. Please subscribe.